'tis the season for tax scams. BBB Connecticut says since the start of the year, they've received almost 24 reports of phony tax companies calling people here in our state. In tonight's Watching Your Wallet, your consumer reporter Cassidy Williams explains what to watch out for.
If your phone rings and the person claims you owe back taxes, Kristen Johnson with BBB Connecticut says you should hang up.
They're coming in and saying, this is your last opportunity to resolve this. We're not going to call you again. They're creating this false sense of urgency, which is the hallmark of a scam.
Johnson tells us this year they have already received nearly 24 reports to their scam tracker about these types of tax calls. People are reporting aggressive phone calls from people claiming to be with companies like Tax Resolution, American Tax Consultants, and the Tax Review Unit. Now, American Tax Consultants is a legitimate company, but their leadership told BBB that their business name is being used without their permission. They say they would never contact people to request payment for back taxes. And the IRS won't be calling you either.
The IRS would not be calling you directly about that. They would be sending you a letter in the mail.
Johnson says another thing scammers might try is to charge a fee to sign up for what's called the Fresh Start program. That's a real program that helps people reduce or settle debt with the IRS, but you shouldn't have to pay.
You don't need to pay a middleman to see if you qualify. You can simply go to irs.gov yourself and sign up.
Johnson also suggests filing your return as soon as possible to reduce the risk of tax identity theft where someone tries to steal your return. Your consumer reporter, Cassidy Williams, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.